नमो नमः। अद्य प्रथमः पाठस्य अभ्यासः कुर्मः। अत्र अस्ति उच्चारणम्। उच्चारणं नाम प्रोनंसिएशन। उच्चार कैसे किया जाता है। These are the words we need to pronounce. छात्रः यानी कि स्टूडेंट, गजः एलिफेंट, घटः पॉट, शिक्षकः a teacher, मकरः crocodile, दीपकः lamp, मयूरः peacock, बिडालः cat, अश्वः horse, शुकः parrot, मूषकः rat, चंद्रः moon, बालकः a kid, चालकः driver, गायकः a singer. These are more words we need to pronounce. कृषकः, वृषभः, भल्लुकः, मंडुकः, कपोतः, पर्यंकः, दूरभाषः, काकः, सौचिकः. Now second question we have is वर्ण संयोजनेन पदं लिखत. Let us see how we need to solve. च अधिकम अ अधिकम श अधिकम अ अधिकम क अधिकम आह चषकः. Here are few examples. Please have a look and see the answers. सौचिकः. तृतीयः, third answer would be शुनकः. Next, धावतः, वृद्धाः. And last one is गायन्ति. Next question we have is पदानां वर्णविच्छेदं प्रदर्शयतु. Here you need to dissolve a word. For example, लघुः. लघुः, ल is ल plus a plus gh हलंत plus uhu. Okay, so in the same way the answers would be for सीव्यति. As it has C dirgha, it will be sa plus e. Next question, varnaha. V adhikam a adhikam r adhikam ण adhikam aha. Here varnaha, r is half, so we need to add that also. Do not forget that. Next, kukkurau. You can see the answer. Mayuraha. And last one, balakaha. Here we need to fill in the blank according to ekvachan, dvivachan and bahuvachanam. Here they have given one example, chashakah, chashakau, chashakaha. Similarly, we need to solve the answers in this way. Balivardah, balivardau, balivardaha. शुनकः, शुनकौ, शुनकाः. मृगः, मृगौ, मृगाः. सौचिकः, सौचिकौ, सौचिकाः. मयूरः, मयूरौ, मयूराः. Now here they have given us pictures and we need to write its name. चित्राणि दृष्ट्वा Sanskruta-padani likhat. You need to write Sanskruta-pada, means Sanskrit word for that picture. So first one is Gajah, next Kakah, next Chandrah, another Talah, Bhallukah and Bidalah. Here we need to write the answers. Chitram drushtva uttaram likhat. First image is Balakah king karoti. Balakah pathati. He is reading. Ashvau king kurutah. Ashvau dhavatah. Kukkuraha kim kurvanti. Kukkuraha bukkanti. Bukkanti meaning barking. The dogs are barking. Next one, Chhatrau king kurutah. Chhatrau hasatah. Krushakah king karoti. Krushakah kshetram karshati. Gajau king kurutah. Gajau chalatah. Next question we have is Padani Sanyojya Vakyani Rachayat. Okay, so these are the questions. Gajaha, Simhau, Gayakah, Balakau and Mayuraha. So Gajaha, Chalanti. Simhau, Garjatah. As they are two. Simhau, Garjatah. Gayakah, Gayati. Balakau pathatah. Mayuraha nrityanti. Next question we have is Manjushatah padanchitva riktasthanani purayat. Manjusha meaning options, and the options are nrityanti, garjatah, dhavati, chalatah, phalanti, and last one is khadati. First answer would be Mayuraha nrityanti. Gajau chalatah. Vrukshaha phalanti. Phalanti meaning they give us fruits. Simhau garjatah. Vanarah khadati. Ashvah dhavati. And last one we have is Saha taute ityebhyah uchitam sarvanamapadam chitva riktasthanani purayat. You remember we used to say Saha for ekavachanam. Tau is used for dvivachanam and te is used for bahuvachanam. Okay, so for example, Ashvah dhavati. Ashvah is only one. So answer would be Saha dhavati. Gajaha chalanti, te chalanti. Chhatrau pathatah, tau pathatah. Vanaraha kridanti, te kridanti. Gayakah gayati, saha gayati. Mayuraha nrityanti, te nrityanti. धन्यवादः.